As dark clouds gather over the Atlantic Ocean, a story of destruction begins to unfold. Hurricanes in the American continent are not just natural phenomena. They are forces of nature that challenge humanity, reminding us of our vulnerability before the power of the earth. Over the decades, the United States, Central America, and the Caribbean have suffered from hurricanes that have reshaped entire cities and affected millions of lives. Among these storms, Hurricane Katrina stands as one of the most infamous in modern history. In 2005, Katrina swept through New Orleans, causing floodwaters to rise swiftly and submerge the city. More than 1,800 lives were lost, and tens of thousands were displaced. Katrina was not just a storm, but a human disaster, revealing the fragility of infrastructure and the lack of preparedness. Years later, in 2017, Hurricane Irma hit American shores as a Category 5 storm. The highest classification for Hurricane Irma was not just another storm, it was a sign of increasing climate change. It tore through the Caribbean islands and ravaged large parts of Florida, leaving behind economic destruction in the billions of dollars and affecting millions of lives. In the same year, Hurricane Maria directly hit Puerto Rico. Maria was not just a storm, it was a national tragedy. It caused a near-total blackout across the island that lasted for months. The impact was so profound that Puerto Rico is still recovering from its effects today. But powerful hurricanes are not confined to the 21st century. The Galveston hurricane of 1900, which struck Texas, is considered the deadliest in U.S. history, killing nearly 8,000 people. Similarly, in 1992, Hurricane Andrew devastated southern Florida, causing immense property damage. In Central America, we cannot forget Hurricane Mitch in 1998. This hurricane was one of the most destructive storms in the region, causing landslides and floods that wiped out entire villages and claimed over 11,000 lives. Hurricanes are unforgiving. They are forces of nature that reshape our cities, weaken our economies, and change our lives forever. But the question remains, how long will we continue to be unprepared for what nature has in store?